Yeah, good morning. Welcome to this beautiful day. It's the day the Lord has made. I rejoice, you rejoice, and we are glad in it. In case you don't know me and I'm coming your way this morning, my name is Kevin Daniel, and I am blessed. I live in a place of abundance. I live in a beautiful state. I fly first class. I have a millionaire mind. I have the mind of Christ. I have a sound mind. Only good things happen to me. As a matter of fact, only good things are permitted to happen to me. I am motivated and I am dedicated. I am worthy of being wealthy. I am a money magnet. I attract good things. I attract money. In fact, I'm so happy and grateful now because money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. It is well with me. I am making sales. I am rising up. I am shooting for excellence. And I'm the person you should be listening to. Now, you pause this video for 30 seconds, open your mouth, and begin to declare who you are. Why should you do that? Because the power of life and death is in your tongue. What you say is what is delivered to you. You are being justified by your words, and you are being condemned by your words. All right, once you are done, connect back to this video and let's hear it. Okay, so we are looking at winning by words, and we have been looking at the book of Ezekiel, chapter 37. We saw how God asked his servant to prophesy to the bones, to the dry bones. He did and saw tremendous results. Let me pull over here. I'm going to read very quickly and then we'll continue. Ezekiel chapter 37. All right. From verse 11. Then he said to me, Son of man, these bones are the whole house of Israel. They indeed say, our bones are dry, our hope is lost, and we ourselves are cut off. Therefore prophesy and say to them, Thus saith the Lord, Behold, O my people, I will open your graves and cause you to come up from your graves and bring you into the land of Israel. Then you shall know that I am the Lord, when I have opened your graves. O my people, and brought you up from your graves. I will put my spirit in you, and you shall live, and I will place you in your own land. Then you shall know that I am the Lord, have spoken it, and will perform it. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. So, what is God saying to them? God is saying that no matter the situation you have been before, you say that you are dead, that your situation is hopeless, that your situation is terrible. You are dead and you are buried. There is no hope for you. That is what you are saying. But God is saying, no, change the narrative. Open your mouth and prophesy. It doesn't matter how dead the situation is. I am bringing you back to life. Now listen. God's vehicle for bringing you back to life, God's vehicle for restoring, revigorating, God's vehicle for reviving, for change is your mouth. God's vehicle for bringing about newness in your situation, for causing change and bringing about total change, is by you opening your mouth and speaking the word. So I want to encourage you. If you want God to move in your situation, God moves by his word. God moves by spoken words. He said to the Israelites, as long as I live, whatsoever you say in my ears, that is what I will do unto you. Beloved, what are you saying in God's ears? What are you saying to the universe? What are you saying to nature? What are you saying to the situations and circumstances? God is saying whatsoever you say, that is what he will do. This is incredible. Listen, whatever you are saying is what God is doing, good or bad. That is what is happening to you. He says that the power of life and death is in your tongue. The power to control your destiny, the power to control your circumstances and your situation, the power to bring about change, the power to bring about healing and deliverance, the power to bring about whatever you desire, God has put in your mouth. So he's saying to you, open your mouth today and speak to your situation. Open your mouth today and speak to your circumstance. As you do, eventually you will see results and it will work out for you. Listen to me, don't take my words for it. Read through these scriptures. Watch the entire series of these videos I have been telling you, and you will see that I am not just talking, I am telling you truths. Truths that have been proven over time. Truths that have worked for people from prehistoric days and is still working today. And beloved, you don't need anything special. All you need is an understanding of what I am saying and then an application of what I am saying. Now I have explained to you and you understand that there is tremendous power in your mouth. Now all you need to do is to open your mouth, focus on that situation and speak to it. Speak to your marriage. Speak to that sickness and disease. Speak to your academics, to your career. Speak to your life, to your business, to your children, to whatever it is, to your body, and they will respond. If this is resonating with you, like this video. If it is making sense, share it. And more especially, follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and get more. Till I come your way again. God bless you. Keep living because there is power in your world.